So for the first problem, we have to identify which of the three possible numbers is a solution. So either x is equal to 2 is going to be a solution, or x equals negative 2 is a solution, x equals 2 is a solution, or x equals 5 is a solution. So what we're going to do here is substitute x into the equation and then simplify and see if both sides are equal. So we're going to check negative 2 first. So 3 times, and instead of x, I put parentheses negative 2. Remember, that means multiply. And then plus 7. And we have to see, is that equal to 13? So order of operations here, I multiply 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then plus 7. We have to see if that is equal to 13. Negative 6 plus 7 is 1. So 1 equals 13 is not a true solution, so I'm going to put the not equal sign. And x equals negative 2 is not one of our answers. So now what I'm going to do is erase, and I'm going to substitute 2 in. So I'm going to put 3, and then instead of parentheses, I'm going to just put a dot, so 3 times 2 plus 7, and then see if that's equal to 13. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 7. And then see, is that equal to 13? 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 is equal to 13. So 2 is a solution. And I'm going to circle it. And then I can also check 5. 3 times 5 plus 7. And then we'll say, is that equal to 13? 3 times 5 is 15. And then plus 7, is that equal to 13? 15 plus 7 is 22. And 22 is not equal to 13. So I'm putting that slash through the equal sign. That means not equal. So moving on to the second equation, we have 8 minus 2b equals negative 2. And our three possibilities, b equals negative 3, b equals 0, and b equals 5. So I'm going to do the same process here of substituting and solving. So I'm going to go 8 minus 2 times negative 3 and see, is that equal to negative 2? Now, this minus 2 is like adding negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So we have 8 plus 6 equals negative 2. And I already know that it's not true. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 equals negative 2. So I'm going to cross that out and move on to see, well, is b equals 0 a solution? So I do the same thing. 8 minus 2 times 0. Is that equal to negative 2? All that I did again, substitute. So now here, negative 2 times 0, that's just going to be 8 minus 0 equals negative 2. That's not true, 8 minus 0 is 8. So our second one is not a solution. And I'm going to just make sure 5 is a solution. So 8 minus 2 times 5 equals negative 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 8 minus 10 equals negative 2. And 8 minus 10 is negative 2. So negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So b equals 5 is our solution.